So I want us to talk about solar charge controller settings. The first place is for the solar panel. The second one is for the battery. And the third one is for the load connection. Now let's look at the buttons for setting the solar charge controller. The first one is the menu. So pressing on it helps you to scroll through the menu. So the first one is the normal charging voltage of the solar panel. So this interface shows the solar panel charging voltage. So currently it is at 13.9 volts. The second one is how full you want the battery to charge. The third one is the battery discharge to the load. The third one is when the load should turn off. And the fourth one is how long the load should stay. So when you want to set it, you go to another button, you long press on it. Then you see that it starts flashing. When it starts flashing, you can press on the positive and a negative button to reset it. So when you're done setting it, you leave it on for a few seconds, then it will be stable.